All right, we're out here today. Camera's fogged up. We got a new project. Allis Chalmers. I needed another tractor, obviously. So we got this one here. This is my wife's tractor. She wanted an orange one. So I bought this one. It doesn't run currently. I was told when I bought it, the only thing it needed was a carburetor, because there isn't one. So I went on to the internet and I bought this carburetor. It's a cheap one off eBay, so hopefully it works. We'll get it out of the bag and see how it hooks up and see if it fits on the tractor. Alright, we had to run to town because I didn't have any bolts. This carburetor is threaded here. Also, this shaft was the same length on both sides, so I cut this off. So now we can actually put it in there because it was hitting the engine. I went ahead and bought some barbed fittings just for now so we can run a fuel line to it. Got one in the carburetor, one in the fuel bowl. So now we're going to try to get this thing bolted on, and I'm not even going to worry. I might hook the governor up, I guess. I don't know which hole it's supposed to go into. There's two on there, but we'll hook it into one of them and see if we can get this thing to fire off today. All right, got the carburetor on there. Throttle seems to actuate. There's no choke on this tractor, so we'll probably just leave that open for now. I checked the fuel and it seems to flow, but boy does it smell bad. So we're just going to fire this up, well, plumb it up temporarily, and then if it seems like it's going to run, I'll probably stop and then drain the fuel tank, put some fresh gas in there for the new Chinese carburetor. All right, as you can see, the tractor's in a different spot. We took the battery out of the farmall and just wedged it in there. Now it does run. We put a Harley muffler on there that has no guts in it, so it's really loud. Go ahead and pull on that thing and see if it starts again.
Just pull on it?
Yeah, on the starter rod. The little one that's on the floor. As of right now, there seems to be no off for the ignition, but if you shut the throttle all the way, it shuts it off. So I'm assuming one of these wires needs to be hooked to a switch, but we just wanted to hear it run, so now it runs. Next step, we're gonna change the oil, find a muffler because it's way too loud, and then clean it up. All right, it's the next day. Had to go to town and get some parts for the old tractor. First thing we got to replace this nice chrome stack that doesn't really fit is this muffler, which may or may not fit. It's supposed to, but it looks too small. So we got that for it, but that's going to need a little bit of work. All right, well, since the muffler won't fit without swedging out the bottom, which I'll take that to the shop and do that tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and let it run for a few minutes to get warm, and then we're gonna do an oil change on it just so I'll feel better about it. All right, let the tractor warm up for 5 minutes. Hopefully some of the gunk is suspended in the oil now. So we'll drain this out without dropping the plug, hopefully. Yummy. Alright, looks like all the junk came out. Let's see if I can put this back in here. Alright, get that tightened up and then we'll pull the filter off here in a second. Alright, got the new filter here. It looks a little bit different than the old filter, but this is the one that came up when they looked up that number because they don't make that one anymore. So hopefully it's the right one. Maybe. There we go. And that should do it. Look at this. Oh. Perfect. All right, we're gonna check the oil. Let it fill the filter up. Don't forget to idle that up a little bit. There you go. Just one. I think so.
I think so too.
So just idle it up and start it, and then ease out on the clutch pedal. Did you idle it up?
What does that mean? Oh.
Throttle. There you go. Ease up on her. On the throttle. All right, we got back. We took it for a little drive down the road. Everything seemed to be working pretty good. The clutch is sticking just a little bit, and the transmission is making some noise. So I went ahead and drained the rear end and transmission, whatever all looks kind of one piece. Looks like a milkshake coming out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that back up with some clean oil, but I won't bore you with that because it'll probably just be me pouring it all over the ground trying to get it in this little hole over here. But that's probably gonna do it for this one. It's just an introduction to the Allis Chalmers B. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about which tractor you want to see next.